Changing your phone number on Meltano is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your information easily. Step 1. Log into your Meltano account. Begin by opening the Meltano application or website and logging into your account using your current credentials. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings section. This is usually found in the profile menu or under a settings icon. Step 3. Locate phone number section. In account settings, find the section specifically for personal information or contact details. Look for the phone number field. Step 4. Update your phone number. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new phone number, look for a save or update button at the bottom of the page. Click it to confirm your changes and update your account information. Now you have successfully changed your phone number on Meltano. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.